Hi everyone, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk, Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK, and I'm going to do a mail birthday card for you today. Now, I made a prototype using a Christmas stamp. I've been using, this is retired paper from last year, and I've been playing with it because of the perfectly plaid paper that we've got in the Christmas catalogue, and so I wanted to see what the sort of check tartan plaid would look like in Christmas cards, but I decided I'm going to recreate this and make it a male birthday card. So I'm using the Come Sail Away papers, which I think that let's get them, so I've got my magnolia onto the side. So I think I'm using this stripe one here because I think the stripy side of the papers are just wonderful mail cards, and they are my favourite side as opposed to the boating sides. I just love all these stripes. I love that newspaper and I love that map. So these is my favourite side. I'm not so keen on the nautical side, but I do think that they do make great mail cards, and a lot of us do struggle with the mail cards. So got all my bits that we need for the cards. So I'm using Night of Navy, so it's a normal C6 cards size, my normal blank in Whisper White, that's the one for the middle, because I've already, to save time, embossed the one on the outside. I've got some scraps for me stamping. Now on this original one I double matted that, but when I was sort of putting this together I wasn't sure if it needed it, but so I've got it cut in case I want it, but I'm not sure if I do. Okay, and I've got some of our colour family stamping stacks that we've got, paper stacks that we've got as well. So I'm using the Happy Birthday from the birthday bouquet. I've got the twine that goes with the set. I've got the scripty embossing folder, which I have done ahead of time. And then we've got the two punches. I've got the triple banner punch and I've got the lovely tailored punch as well. So let's get on. So I'm going to layer these things up. I might speed this bit up for you. Right, so here's now then what I got to think about is, do I just want that like that, or do I want to add the white layer like I did in the original card? And then that's going to go on there like that. Let's triple banner this. Oh, right, so I'm giving you the measurements. So the different mats. So the DSP is cut 3 by 3 3/4, and then this Whisper White mat is just 1/8 of an inch bigger to give us a really small border. So that's 3 1/8 by 3 7/8, and then this one is 3 1/4 by 4. And that gives us those small layers. And then this is 1 1/2 by 3 1/2. I think I will do the white layer actually, looking at it. So I'm going to get these stuck down, but this is going to be popped up. So I shall speed it up again whilst I'm doing this bit. So there we have it. And then we just need to do a bit of stamping. So I've got my little Whisper White scrap. I've got my stamp mounted, and I've got some Night of Navy. Just stamp that down. Lovely. Put that on my chamois over there. And then I'm going to use the tailored punch. So if you can see from this one here, I am stamping it, punching it so that I make a diamond. So I'm sort of centering it. Oh, that's my ink pad. So that the happy birthday's in the middle. And then I get a little bit of an offcut with some glue on it. There is still some on there, I think. To hold that in, to stamp again down here. And then if we stamp, punch, not stamp, punch out one of these. I could, of course, have punched this one out of this mat to save a bit on cardstock, which I often do, but haven't done this time. And then that gives you a nice sort of layered look. Okay, so get those stuck together, and then we're going to pop the whole thing up on dimensionals. So I'm using my grid mat to get this straight. And then I'm going to use the twine that comes with this set. Just wrap a bit of that around the top. So I'm going to just get a bit of fuse to hold it in place. Rule of 3, wrap it around 3 times, and that is why I'm popping it up on dimensionals, because that's slightly raised. So I'm just going to put a few dimensionals on here. And I'm just going to do a little strip along the top. Just to hold the top down. And that will be it. So I've basically used my Christmas card as a card sketch and turned it from Christmas to birthday. Good. And that is the same card, one as a Christmas card, one as a birthday card. I think that looks really nice for a mail card. Hope you liked it. All the details and all the measurements will be over my blog, nigezza.co.uk. You can like and subscribe there. That's a link there to the actual blog post. Go there to explore some more of my channel. Links to shops down below if you would like to buy anything. Okay, see you again soon. Bye-bye.